Hey everyone, it's Thursday, January 7th, 2021, and today is practice note taking. Let's go ahead and get started. So, once again, these are standards. All right. So, while we're talking about activism, can we all just take a second to look at the world around us, right? Um, we thought that 2020 would be the end of something, but it looks like 2021 was the start of something, right? And so if you haven't been keeping up with the news, um, there was a storm on the Capitol, right? And just knowing where our country stands, okay, and where we are, and eventually what do we want to represent. I'm just gonna take a second for that. All right, and then you can pause the video. All right, let's go ahead and get moving. So in our world, right, I want you all to be safe. Um, yes, as much as you should be active with things around our world, right? I also want you to be aware of your surroundings and be safe. Okay. Um, Once again, we are learning about activism, and we should also consider what we need to do to be safe in all of this. All right. So for our chunk today, I want you to focus on the topic that you picked on Tuesday. Today, today will be a work day for research. So we learned about Malala and Alex and their activism around the world. With their activism, right? We also took notes on them and how you modeled for you how we want you to take notes, right? So talking about Malala and how we're asking questions and not just taking notes, but actually responding to it. Okay. So today's your note. So today um, is your day to note take on the topic that you chose. Okay. And that refers back to the text starter set. I think that was on Tuesday that was given. All right. So last but not least, for going back into chew and the review. Okay. So this is your power learning and note taking sheet. There are all these are the rest of the steps that we learned and picked up from Tuesday and Monday, right? And so with that, okay, when we're starting our final, we have to be aware of our articles, right? And we have to find support for our topic and videos for your topic. So let's go ahead and read through this one more time. Write fast, record important facts, capture quotes, and if possible, the context in which we are said. Um, Note what was said and what you see. Record your ideas as well as your information. Pause to organize information. Use prompts. Ask yourself what ideas are shared by many. What are the debates? Think. What big things might I teach others about this topic? Get specific examples or evidence to support your ideas. Connect new ideas and insights to overall topic or other big ideas. Free write about the topic, trying to grow insights, then see if the insights are applicable or true to the topic as a whole or just to the one case in point. Lastly, follow a trail of research by asking, hmm, what about this topic? What about this topic is important? So these are all the different note taking skills that you will learn and use. All right. So for your review, uh, you need to start by diving into more research about your topic. This topic is practice for the final, right? In addition to your research, you will also note take which will help you when starting your final. Lastly, there'll be a short quiz, and you'll take that for your review. All right. Thanks for tuning in. See everybody soon.